Hey everyone, this is Jim from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on Friday, 18 February. Alright, on this video, we are closing the week. We will share some news first, then we will just go ahead with our charts. Recent news is mixed. So why I'm saying mixed? Because mainly fundamentals, like all the fundamentals analysis are about Russia and Ukraine crisis. Russia is saying that, kind of just making fun of West media outlets. And for example, yesterday, one of the officials said if US just tells us when we will attack Ukraine, so I will just plan my vacation. They said we don't plan anything like that. They are just making their people scared, and then they have their own problems. They just blame us for attacking, something like that. Alright, and Russia is just behaving like this. At the same time, US still is telling that Ukraine will be invaded by Russia anytime soon. If you ask me, I still don't believe that one, because as I said, right now everything is perfect for this escalation. So high price of oil, high price of natural gas, Russia is just enjoying this propaganda. That's all about it, and they just benefit from this one as economically. And if they really know that if they attack economically, they will lose all these holdings, all these gains. That's why they will just keep telling these kind of things. They will say, all right, NATO will just declare that Ukraine not be part of that one. It was all like that. All right, that was the news. After FOMC, we see a lot of different speeches from Bullard and also some other Fed officials. But mainly, Bullard is so hawkish about these interest rates, and even he said by July we should receive 100 base points rate increase. If that happens, then we can just make really fast decline in a sharp decline in inflation. He says if you just do slowly, it won't make any effect. So front loading is better for interest rate hike. He just believes on that one. We will see on March what will happen. Alright, on dollar index chart, as you can see here, it is just on basic, as you can see, a basic range, which is 95 and 96. It's just going up and down. When we just hear something hawkish from Fed officials, it's just testing high levels. And then when we just see some dovish statements and then supporting accommodating form, it's just going down. But mainly it's going like this. And coming days will be similar probably. Alright, let's look at gold prices.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Market.
Alright, gold investors are really enjoying these times because as you can see on the chart, it's just testing really high levels. Yesterday night, last night, it just tested critical 1900 levels. It's really 1900 level is really important. But right now, as you can see, some relaxation, some easing from that level is happening. We will see on the coming days. But this is mainly because of inflation fears as a hedge option, and also at the same time war hedge option. Both of them are just supporting the gold prices like this. I'm still saying that it's really, even if it just goes like this at this level, it has to make some correction, something like this. For example, just a correction and then goes up again. We may forget sometime like 1800 levels and until to first rate hike. But right now it's just enjoying this high level of these tensions, and then gold is just enjoying that one. As long as we hear more stories like this, Ukraine and Russia stuff and inflation stuff, we will just see that one. Let's look at uh, oil prices. Alright, oil prices on decline. There is two reasons of this one. Because first one is, and last week of the contract, we see this pattern in many cases. It just goes down on the last week of the trading contract, ends up when we see that. Alright, you remember I used to say that like I'm expecting something like 85 on 22nd of February. If it just trends goes like this, we will see this one. Even I'm expecting lower levels on that one if we just hear good news from this Ukraine and Russia crisis. Main reason after these rises, it has just like reached to really high level, which is causing problem of inflation. As long as this inflation story goes on, all governments will blame energy prices and US oil, crude oil prices, Brent oil prices as well, will be the target of the countries' governments. So, oil producing countries should lower the prices. If they don't do that, it will just cause any crisis, economic crisis, and then they will just suffer from that crisis for years. But if they just to this level, so everybody will just be happy, because when the price just in this range for 2-3 months, then the gap between last year 2021 price and then this year current year price will be almost 0%. Then they will say, alright, inflation is coming down and everybody will be happy. Still $70 above, $75 above oil prices will make happy all OPEC countries. This is the reality. We will just see on coming days. I believe on that one. Alright, thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news and on Monday. I hope you just enjoy your weekend. Bye.